What's your name?
I'm
Alright. Okay, so what do we have here? Egg. Okay, we have Minion, Avengers, Captain America, Avengers, Iron Man, and who's this?
Iron Man.
This one? Who's this?
Patrol.
Paw Patrol. Who's this?
Marshall.
Marshall. Alright. Are you ready to open them?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do this. Okay, so which one do you want to open first?
This one.
Okay, the Avengers, the one in blue color. Okay, open it. Ooh, what's
Whoa.
inside? Let's see. Candies.
Yes.
Alright, we have candies.
Ooh, wow.
What is this? Oh, okay, let me see. Let me see that.
Hulk.
Hulk, it's Hulk, yes, and it's a slap bracelet.
Yes.
Okay, let's try it. Alright, so we get it to be straightened. Can you please give me your hand?
Yeah.
Okay, give me your hand. Alright, let's try it out.
Yeah.
Okay, wow, that's so cool, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try the next one. What do you want to open next?
Marshall.
Marshall. Okay, let's go open Marshall. Okay.
Wow, candy.
More candies. What's that? Let me see. What is that? What's inside?
Cheese sauces. Cheese.
Ooh, where? Wow, let me see. Let me see. What is this? Oh, so it gets to stand up. Look.
It's a cheese.
Okay. Oops. It gets to stand up. Whoops.
Ooh, cheese.
Bless you.
Cheese. Cheese.
Look, it's standing up.
Wow.
Cool. Is that it? No more?
Yes. No more.
No more. Okay, so let's move to the next. Which one do you want to open? Which one do you want to open?
This one.
Who's that?
Iron Man.
Iron Man. Okay. Whoa. Alright, what's inside? Whoops.
Captain
It
America.
fell. Ooh, it's Captain America. It's a little Captain America.
Wait, I'm
And
gonna get
everything
it.
fell.
Candy.
Okay. Alright, so you got the candy. Okay. Alright, last three. So which one do you want to open?
This one.
Okay, Avengers. Still the Avengers. Okay, go.
Yeah, let's open it.
Okay, let's open it.
Candy.
Yes, more candies. And what's inside? Oh, it's still the same. It's Hulk. It's still a slap bracelet. Okay, alright. Try it on mommy. Come on.
Wait. Oh.
Okay, thank you. Okay, let's go to the next one.
Yeah.
Okay, we have last two. What's that? It's the Minion.
Yeah.
Okay, open it. Ooh, more candies. And what's that? Oops. What is that? Can you show me, please? Okay, I think something fell. Can you please get it?
No.
Ah, please. Okay, so this is what we got for the Minion. Okay, lastly, we got
Captain America.
Captain America. Let's open it.
What?
Ah, something fell again.
Gonna please.
Okay, oops. Oh, everything fell. Please get it.
Okay.
Okay, go get it. Go get it.
Apple.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, so we got Hawk for the Captain America head. Alright. Okay, so this is what we got for today. Okay? Right, so for the Paw Patrol, we got this little standee. Who's this?
Chase.
Chase. And we got some dog bones and a sticker. And for Iron Man, we actually got a Captain America stand and a sticker for Iron Man as well, and candies. And for the Avengers egg, we got this slap bracelet, which is what's this again?
Hulk.
Hulk, thank you. And we got candies, right? And this for the Minion.
Yeah.
I'm not sure what this is. We got this toy, and we got the sticker for Minion, and of course these candies. Okay, so what do we have here? It seems like it's moving. Okay, seems like we put it inside. Do we do that? Let me try. Okay, so when I opened it, I got this 3 heads, which we actually push inside. Let me try. Okay, so this is how we do it. We actually pull it and then like put this in, and then like I guess I push it out. Oh yeah, it actually flies out.
Hey, there's not cool.
Okay, wait, look here. Look what mommy does. Okay, mommy puts it in, and then I actually pushes it out. Look. Okay, 1, 2, 3. And it flew. That's cool. The coolest so far from the eggs.
Yes.
Okay, and for this red Avengers egg, we still got a Hulk slap bracelet and more candies, which actually looks cool since it looks like Hulk and sorts and Iron Man too. And then lastly, the Captain America egg, which we got a Hawk keychain and Thor sticker and the cool candy, which we have Hulk, Iron Man. Yep, so basically this is all the what's inside it, which could have been all this other cool stuffs. Yep, and this one too, which we got this. Yep, and we got this sticker. And this one, which we got 2 Hulk slaps bracelets. Yep, and this one wherein we actually got this Hulk, and we also got Captain America. And yeah, we got, which sticker was that? Yeah, we got Thor sticker and we got Iron Man sticker. Okay, so that was it.
Yeah.
Alright, so